Hello, this is lecture 14 on campus analysis for DSC students. I'm Ms. RANJANA DUTTA from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we are going to study to construct a function object when one conjugate function is given. To construct a function fz when one conjugate function is given. Let fz is equal to u plus iv be analytic function. When u and v are the conjugate functions of, that is, both u and v satisfy the Laplace equation. If either of them u is given, then to form fz, since u is already given, therefore the function fz can be constructed if either only z is found out, b the function fz at whole is directly find out. Now let z is equal to u plus ib, fz is equal to u plus ib. The other method of constructing directly without finding is by Miltonian Theorem and is an elegant method given below. Let z is equal to, let x equal to half z plus z bar and y is equal to 1 by 2i z minus z bar. Then fz can be written as u z plus z bar by 2 comma z minus z bar by 2i plus iv z plus z bar by 2 comma z minus z bar by 2i. Thus, relation can be regarded as a formal identity in the independent variable z and z bar. Putting z bar is equal to z, we get the calculation seen on your screen, and fz is equal to u plus iv. Then fz can be written as u z0 comma iv z0. So f dash z del u by del x plus I del v by del x. Using Cauchy-Riemann equation, which can be written as del u by del x minus I del v by del y. So here del u by del x can be written as equal to phi 1 xy, and del u by del y can be written as phi 2 xy. So f dash z can be written as phi 1 xy minus I phi 2 xy is equal to phi 1. Here see, phi xy is transformed into z. So this can be written as phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0. Then integrating, we get fz is equal to integration of phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0 plus another constant. So fz can be written as integration of phi 1 z0 plus I phi 2 z0 into dz plus a constant, where phi 1 xy is equal to del v by del y and phi 2 xy is equal to del v by del x. Now take some example. U is given sine of 2x by cos hyperbolic 2y plus cos 2x. Now find u is given, find del u by del x and del u by del y. So after calculating del u by del x, you write it as phi 1 xy and del u by del y as phi 2 xy. The corresponding function fz is equal to u plus iv is given by fz is equal to integration of phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0 dz plus c. Here in place of x you put z and in place of y you put 0. So after putting this we get fz is equal to sec square z dz plus c, which after integration gives us tan z plus c. So this is the function for the this is the analytic function. Next, take another example. Prove that the function u given on your screen satisfied Laplace's equation and find the corresponding analytic function fz is equal to u plus iv. This is an example of finding the analytic function when the some function in u is given. So similar way as we have done earlier in example 1, here del u by del x and del u by del y. After calculating them, del u by del x can be written as phi 1 xy, del u by del y can be written as phi 2 xy. And then by Milani's method, we know f dash z can be written as phi 1 xy minus I phi 2 xy, or this can be written as f dash z is equal to phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0, which after calculation gives us z plus 1. Integrating by the um, uh, integrating it, so we get e to the power z into e to the power z plus c. Thus fz is equal to z into e to the power z plus c is the analytic function. Now next example, try at home. Similar example, try at home. Now I am explaining the third, that is the fourth one. U is given and U is given. So del U, find del U by del x and del U by del y and call it as phi 1 xy and the second one as phi 2 xy. Now calculate here del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square. Here, adding this 2, we get this is equal to 0. Hence, it satisfies the Laplace's equation. Hence, in other words, u is a harmonic function as we have done it earlier. By Milani's method, we can write it as f dash z is equal to phi 1 z0 minus I phi 2 z0, which after calculation gives fz is equal to integration of 1 minus 2i into cos z plus 2z dz plus c. Here, see, by applying Milani's method, we are transforming the equation xy into z, xy into z. So integrating, we get fz is equal to whatever seen on your screen. So this is the method how to made one um, construction of analytic function in the form u plus iv. Thank you. Today this much only.